I'm extremely honored and pleased to have you here today and to be announcing Matt Harrison as one of our new instructors. Matt has an extensive history in data science, Python, pandas, and a series of programs that are just hard-hitting and really great.
Welcome to this course with Matt Harrison, Python Foundations, Tools, and Techniques, Getting Started with Python, Installation, REPL, and Variables. This is part one of a 6-part series. Matt has extensive experience in Python, using Python, developing in Python, consulting in Python, and has run many courses around the world. Here are several of the books that he's written, and I recommend you take a look at them on Amazon. They're quite good. This module will run for approximately 2 hours today with a bio break halfway through. You can always post your questions at any time in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. As you look on your screen, you will see a chat window in the lower right-hand corner. On-air streaming courses are always free. All you have to do is arrive on our website, starweaver.com/live. Take a look at what's streaming at the top green bar over here, and you will see that there's a live indicator. That means that course is running right now, and there are other courses that are coming up on a regular basis. Those that are not streaming in the next day or so will show up at the bottom here, and all you have to do to register is click the register or RSVP button, and as long as you're logged in, you get an immediate notification, as well as you can add that to your calendar. It's very simple and easy to log in, and it's also free. When you get to the course details page, there'll be details around the course, of course, as well as an indicator of how you get access to all of the content for yourself or for your team and how you log in. Very simple. Click on Login, access the learning management system. There you'll see a myriad of programs. Here are several on data science, but there are many more on other subjects. And when you get into an individual course, you'll see that they're all similarly structured with a welcome, describing all of the course details, getting access to a Slack channel, the various modules, including slides and recordings, as well as readings, quizzes, final exams, and much more. The courses include live sessions that are all recorded, put back into the system, live slides, labs, other relevant videos and readings, Slack channel, quizzes, and a final exam. At the end, a completion certificate, as well as badges that you can use online and professional development credits. For a global access pass, which accesses this content, we have offered a very low price, and anytime that you subscribe before June 1st, that will be a lifetime price. So when the course prices go up to $29.95 per month, you will still be at $6.95 a month. It's a great deal for hundreds of courses. Hope you find us online. Check out our social media links here at the bottom. With that, have a great course.